Hi,
Hi, how are you?
good.
I am good.
Yes, I'm good.
What is your name?
My name is Rahul Raj.
Okay. My name is Anjuu and I am from Navi Mumbai.
Okay.
Where are you
I am
from,
from
Rahul?
I am from Bihar.
Ah, okay. And what do you do?
This time I'm looking for a job in IT sector.
Okay. All the best.
Okay, thank
You will very soon get a very good job.
you. Okay.
Hmm. So tell me, Rahul, what are the challenges you are facing with English language? What are the difficulties?
I faces difficulty when I speak to someone in front of like when I give some interview
Hmm.
in face to face. Then sometimes I stuck a sentence and I could not make a complete sentence
Hmm.
and I stopped in that time.
Okay, you get stuck.
Yes.
Okay. What are the other activities you are doing to improve yourself?
That time so I taking class and I watch some movies in English.
Okay.
And now all thing I do in English, but in speaking, when I speak to someone, then
Hmm.
I am lagging sometimes.
Okay. So, no reading activity, Rahul.
Yes, I mostly I reading like when I do any type of when I read some books in English also because I learn some coding in English.
Hmm.
There is no other language because all the
Hmm.
coding are in English and
Correct.
all notes are in English. So
Okay. Correct. Okay.
mostly I speak to someone, then I sometimes
Then you
stuck.
have a problem.
Yes, yes,
Hmm. Okay. So now you are speaking with me. Well, now you're talking to me. Now, what are the
yes.
challenges you are facing? Are you unable to frame sentences or what is it?
That time too, I am not facing some issue. But sometime when it's not always. Sometime I will stuck.
Sometimes you get stuck. Okay, all right.
Yes,
All right. So I'll tell you something. Rahul, reading is a very good activity. You should try reading short articles, newspapers.
yes,
Hmm? Now, with reading, what will happen is you will understand a lot of new sentences.
yes,
You will come across a lot of new words.
yes. I read
And
sometimes novels also,
mm,
and I see there are too many other
mm,
sentences like you can form it well.
mm, and with these sentences, these words, you can use them in your daily
Yes,
conversation
daily
also.
conversation.
Mm, yeah. That way, you can do your practice.
Yes, I'm trying.
Hmm. Okay, so tell me, you just said that you're looking for a job, right?
Yes,
Okay, so are you prepared? Are you ready for an interview?
yes. I give some interviews.
Okay, all right. So what did they ask you in the interview?
Mostly he asks to tell me about myself and say about some one topic and mostly
Okay,
general this thing.
okay. Tell me about yourself.
Hello, my name is Rahul Raj and I am from Bihar but currently staying in Noida 62 and I did my graduation in civil engineering from TIT College in 2020 and I also work as a site engineer in past few years ago and now I'm taking a class from Bridge Lab to learn Java and software testing.
Okay, you said I also. Are you working somewhere?
Now this time I'm not working. I
That
worked
was the past
previous.
tense.
Yes,
Okay, so for that you say I have worked
okay,
in the past for so many years in this organization.
okay,
Okay, so if you say I also work, that means you are currently working. That is the wrong sentence, Rahul. You, when you are talking
okay.
about the past tense, you use the past tense verbs.
Oh, yes,
I
yes, got
have worked or I was working with so and so company for so many months or so many years.
okay,
Currently, I am, yes, currently I have enrolled myself in some professional courses to improve my skills, such as Java and others that you just mentioned.
Okay.
Okay, all right. And you can, yes, for you, I did my graduation. That was correct. For your qualification, what you said, that is correct. Okay. So, what topic or what story they ask you to tell? On what basis?
Any topic. He said कि you say any topic around 2 minutes or 5 minutes.
Yeah, that is just to check your communication skills.
Yes, yes.
And which topic you selected and you spoke with them?
Mostly, when I said some movies or like my daily routine.
Okay. Tell me about your daily routine.
My daily routine is a usual routine. I woke up around 8 o'clock, and
I wake up.
after I wake up
I wake.
at 8 o'clock, and after I take a breakfast at 9 to 10 a.m. After I prepare for my online classes, and I take around 2 hours online classes. After I take some rest, and in evening I go in evening work with my friends. And after coming from walking, I take rest and watching TV. After I take a dinner, and after dinner I prefer to my like I I read my notes and prepare for other day.
Okay. I when what time do you return back home from your work?
Mostly after taking in my dinner.
No, no, no. You said that I come back after working.
Not come after working. Not I am after I come back after I go in evening walk. That's right.
Okay. After I come back, I go for my evening walk regularly.
Okay.
Okay. Once I return back from my evening walk, I take some rest and then I eat my dinner around 9 p.m.
Yes.
After dinner, I watch some television, news, or movie or daily soap. I go to
Okay.
bed around 11 p.m.
Yes.
Okay. Are you doing any activity to improve your sentence structure, my dear?
This time, so I just taking a class, and when he gives some notes, I read it.
Okay. Have you watched any YouTube videos on tenses where they're explaining you tenses?
Tenses, not tenses, but I watched some conversation, like how to conversation to
Hmm.
old Clapingo videos.
Okay. Now, after this session, Rahul, whenever you get time, when you go on YouTube, it's okay you're watching conversation. See, now what happens is you will remember the conversation only till the time the video is on. Once you switch off the video and once you go somewhere else, obviously you will forget everything.
Yes, yes.
Okay. It is very important that first you practice on your sentence structure. Okay. So, say for example, if you have to, there are three tenses: present tense, past tense, future
Past
tense.
and perfect.
Okay. Yes. And then they are further divided into four each. So there are
Yes.
12 tenses, 12 sentences. Okay. So what you have to do is on YouTube, you can type tenses video.
Okay.
Okay. And go through that video. See that video, observe, understand, learn where the tutor is explaining you all the tenses one by one.
Okay.
Present perfect, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Where are the helping verbs used? What are the sentences we frame? And make a notebook. You will have to make a notebook. Write down the sentences, write down the verbs, and practice that. Okay,
Okay.
do that one activity. The second activity is start reading short stories. Okay, whatever content you're
Okay.
reading for your from your professional course, that is absolutely fine. You can continue doing that. So if you have time, you can on your mobile phone, you can
Yes.
download from the Google Play Store application. You can download a lot of story applications. On your Google Play application, just type short English stories and download any one application
Okay.
of short English stories. With this application, you can read one story every day.
Okay.
Okay. Before going to bed, make it a point that you read one story. And when you are reading that story, understand that story, rephrase that story in your own words. Understand the new words, understand the meaning of the new words in your mother tongue. Understand where and which situation you can use that word. Okay. And try to frame
Okay.
sentences with those new words and speak whenever you're talking. maybe whenever you are interacting with the tutor, give us the sentence, ask us if you're confused, ma'am, this is the word I was trying to frame, this is the sentence I was trying to frame, can I is this correct or no? Okay, you have to work
Okay.
on your tenses, my dear. So tell me, Rahul, were you in English medium since childhood?
Not since childhood. After sixth class.
Okay, you came in English medium
Yes.
after sixth grade. Okay, fine. So you directly started speaking and reading English, or you understood the grammar portion, the tenses, prepositions, articles, conjunctions?
Sometime in sixth class, I learned these things, tenses and conjugation and active passive voice.
Mm. But you never got a chance to practice it in English.
Not when in a school, when I speak in English, that time I speak some frequently, but that I not conversation to any other in English. That time I like have issue.
No problem. That is one of the reasons, many learners don't have a companion or a friend with whom they can talk in English. Okay,
Yes.
so see, there are grammatical errors, my dear. The sentence structure is not correct. So these are the two things you have to first work upon. So in order to work on these, you first have to understand the 12 sentences, the 12 tenses.
Okay.
For that, you can go on YouTube, just type tenses videos. Okay, there will
Okay.
be
Okay.
many tutors. Follow only one tutor.
Okay.
Okay, understand that, make a notebook, write it down. Present tense, simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect continuous, like that, step by step, and then re-revise. Try to frame sentences of each tenses.
Yes. Try doing.
Okay, this way, yes, this way you will understand which sentence you have to use have, how to use has, where to use regular verbs, where to use irregular verbs. Okay,
Okay.
all right. And don't watch too many tutors, follow only one tutor,
Yes. Yes.
because everyone has their own way of teaching,
Yes.
so you
Your
might
own
get
opinion.
confused. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, all right. Okay, so this is the activity I'm leaving you with. Two activities: tenses video and story application on your mobile phone.
Yes.
Okay, practice, read a story every day, understand the sentences, and then try to frame sentences accordingly.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Thank you
Okay.
so much. All the best. You will get a very good job soon, and keep practicing.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.